sound yummy.
We have 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of sugar
One half cup of powdered sugar
and chocolate.
and 1 cup of chocolate melts.
And we have peanut butter.
What's this, Elsa?
This is the cup. This is a peanut butter cup.
This is our baking tin where we're going to put our peanut butter cups. Let's get started.
The sugar.
Okay, what do we do first, Elsa?
We have the bowl.
Okay, what do we do in the bowl?
Sugar.
We add our sugar. Okay, let's add our peanut butter then. Let's add our peanut butter.
And
I'll add.
put-
I'll add. Okay.
Ooh, there's so much going. You gotta mix too.
Come on, peanut butter. Okay, I got all the peanut butter.
Now we gotta put
Okay.
a sugar.
Now we're gonna put our sugar in. You can put it in.
Whoa, we got it right.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, you wanna mix it?
Yeah.
Careful.
It's just hot.
Now we're done making we added our peanut butter and our powdered sugar.
It should be like this.
It's nice and creamy.
Yeah. So we can put the chocolate in.
And now we're gonna melt our melting chocolate.
Don't forget peanut butter,
Chocolate.
peanut butter, chocolate.
You mean chocolate, peanut butter, chocolate.
Yeah, I mean that.
Now we're gonna do
Don't
rest.
forget.
Now we're gonna do rest of the layers.
Now we're gonna put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now we took it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now we're gonna drizzle it.
This is optional. We can take white chocolate and drizzle it over our peanut butter cups.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you, Elsa. Let me do the rest, okay?
That's a lot.
Do you want to try now?
How do you do it?
Good job. Now the next one.
What?
Now we're gonna put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Now we took it out of the fridge and
Now we gotta eat it. Here you go, hon.
thank you.
So good.
Please subscribe and like to the channel. Make sure to hit the notification button. Bye!